All right, you guys, welcome to my boring RV life. Today we are home. Cedric is out working, and I am babysitting these two. And we got a lot to do. I have not cleaned up the camper in quite some time because I've been working, and we're gonna do some meal prep. So we're gonna cook today. We're gonna clean up today, and I'm gonna try to attempt to clean my rug today. And as you can see, Pepper has something on her agenda too. She's barking today. So I know that, no, I know cleaning is not glamorous, but you have to do it because it happens. For a campground that's not really heavily advertised, this place is pretty full. These two spots were just full, and they stay full all the time. But we got stuff to do, so let's get busy. Hey, move back, you guys. Let's go. Now, I'm ashamed to say that does the RV get dirty? It sure does. And so we got some stuff to do. Look at that. And then look at this kitchen. We got dishes to do. We got stuff to do. Got stuff to put away. And so my bed is not even made. I should be ashamed of myself. And these two are gonna help get stuff off the floor. All right, y'all. Let's get busy. All right, the finishing touches. Let me show you what we did. You guys saw it was a mess, but now it's all cleaned up. I'm feeling kind of cozy, and the icing on the cake is the flowers and the candle. All right. Let's finish getting things done. Okay, you guys, now I haven't had any breakfast. I like the little ciabatta yogurt. So we have one of these and a muffin. I've already had a cup of coffee after we came back from taking the dogs out. And then we're gonna figure out what our day looks like after that. I need to do laundry, but that's another task for another day. I just don't feel like doing that today. But I do, this is berry medley and lemon blueberry. I like lemon blueberry, so I'm gonna take a lemon blueberry. And the yogurt. And I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna cook in this video. So I'm gonna get some meals done today with one meal. And we're gonna start after this muffin, start our healthy journey. And yes, so that's what we're gonna be doing next. We're gonna prep a meal, and we'll end this video, and then you'll have a glimpse into my day, like what I do. I get up in the morning, I walk the dogs, I have a cup of coffee, I clean up like any normal person. I haven't done the bathroom yet, and I figured you guys didn't want to be crammed into my tiny little bathroom. But I'm going to do the bathroom and make up my bed, and then I'm going to come back in here and cut up some vegetables and get some things going and make prep meal dinners, like a little vegetables, some rice, maybe some beans, and then have a salad, something like that. There's some chicken up there, but I'm not gonna like pre-make that. I'm just pre-making like sides, and then the day we want maybe a piece of fish, maybe a piece of grilled chicken, we can add it to those meals. And I don't want to cook too far in advance, so like a day before kind of meal, because I have the time, I could do that. So that's what we're gonna do to end this video, and that will be the end of the day in the life of my boring video of me trying to start to eat a little bit more healthy. As you guys can see, I'm losing some weight, but not enough. I still got big back activities that I'm working on. So I've been looking for some weights. I want some weights, some little hand weights, and then we're going to start getting up in the morning and trying to do that together. So hang in there. We're almost done. We're going to start. I'll probably do the prep, and then another video will be the actual cooking. So, all right, let's have some breakfast. And my babies. Okay, you guys, we're in the last leg of this video. Today, we are going to have some veggies. We're going to cut them up. And I got some mushrooms and some red onions we're going to put in there. And I'm going to prep that I'm going to cook later. And I'll post some pictures of it. But right now, we're just doing some prep work. And I got some butter here. I don't know if you ever had the plant-based butter. But I usually take some out and I'll mix it with some lemon pepper seasoning or some garlic seasoning in my little bowl here, and put the top on it just in case I want to use some again. And I put that in with my, like when I'm sauteing those. And then I'll probably have some rice and a piece of garlic bread. So that's going to be dinner. So we're going to go ahead on and get this cut up. Get my cutting board here, and we're going to get busy. It is always good to have some fresh veggies, and I like to have this more than once. So I'm not going to cook all of it, because some of it I might want to grill one day, and some of it I know I'm going to cook in here and have it with some rice and maybe some tenderloins with it. Cut those up, put it in here. So there you go. All right, y'all, let's get busy. Okay, and now we're gonna rinse these off. Clean them up. Some of these I'm gonna put in a Ziploc bag and stick them in the freezer. And some of it I'm gonna cook now. You know, this kind of stuff shrinks out, so cook a lot of it. It really end up being a lot. Just gonna make sure we clean it good. So we'll probably put this much in the freezer. I'm gonna put in some Ziploc bags, put this much in the freezer, and then we'll cook the rest of this for dinner and for the next 2 days. Alright. Enough to put on the grill. I wish I knew how to make zucchini bread. I would love to make some zucchini bread. All right, I'll put these in the freezer. All right, now I'm gonna cut up a few mushrooms, some red onions. I was thinking of maybe cooking the mushrooms whole. I'm not gonna cook them all, but I definitely need to clean them up. They look kind of squarish. mushrooms. Put those, wash them up. All right. Put that in there. And last thing we need is the onions. And then I'll make some of my garlic butter. My last little red onion. All right. And we don't need all of this, just a little bit. For sauteing purposes. All right. And there we go. Put it on in there. Maybe one more. And then this is what I'm gonna make for dinner with some rice. I bought this rice, being that it's just me and Cedric, and sometimes I don't want to pull out that rice cooker. Let me know if you guys have ever used this particular rice or have used these kinds of rices. So I'm gonna use the cilantro lime. Some garlic bread, or I got some jasmine. I can use some jasmine rice. And so this is pretty much what's going to be for dinner, the main topic. And then I'm going to go ahead and get this out of my way. And do my butter mix. That's going to be the last thing I'll show you guys. Ooh, this thing has a mind of its own. There we go. So I don't want all the butter, just enough that if I want to make something else with lemon butter, I can. And this is plant-based butter. And we're gonna make this garlic lemon pepper butter. We'll use the same spoon. And I recycle these little jars. Excuse me, y'all. Allergies starting to kick up. All right, and then just gonna put some in here. Excuse me. I don't want to make it too salty. And then a little garlic powder, just a little bit. Now, the best way you could do this is melt this in the microwave and then swirl it around and then put the top on, put it back in the fridge and harden back up. Or you could just kind of chunk it up in there like this. And then just take out however much you need. All right, and then you have it. You have your garlic lemon butter for your veggies. Instead of buying it, you can make your own. And when you're seasoning your vegetables, keep in mind you put seasoning in here so you don't over season and it tastes horrible. All right, you guys. I am hot and tired because I have been busy behind the scenes doing other stuff, but I'm going to cook dinner in a little bit. We just did a little meal prep. I'm just kind of showing you the direction I'm going in as far as trying to be healthy in my eating and trying to keep things healthy so my mind is clear, my mind is healthy, my surroundings are clean and healthy, and now I want my body to be clean and healthy as well. Thank you so much for watching my boring RV life, because see, I'm just like you. All I did was clean up today, prep some food, cook, walk the dogs. Laundry, I'm gonna do that probably tomorrow or Sunday evening. I don't know. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. We're getting ready to start our fitness journey. So please subscribe to the channel. You never know what I might be doing. You never know where I might be at. You never know where I might end up. You never know what about Erica, period. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. See you in our next episode where we're going to be doing more cooking, prep meals. Once I get the fridge settled and I could get some meal prepping containers, then we'll go and we'll cook a meal, and then I'll set it up and show you what I'm doing. Meanwhile, stay tuned. Bye for now.